Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix sound problem on Windows 10. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. The first method is type under search option File Explorer, okay, and click on File Explorer folder, open it and select here this PC. Click on it and right click on it and select here Manage option and select here Device Manager option. Okay. After that, select here Sound, Videos and Gaming Controller. Expand it and right click on it, High Definition and select here Disable Device and click Yes. Again right click on it and select here Enable Device. Okay. Now again select here and right click on it and click here Update Driver. Now select here this Search Automatically option and close this window. Now again right click on it and click here Update Driver again. Select this option, browse my computer. Let me pick select this option. Select this high definition audio device and click here next button. Click yes. Okay, your driver will updated here. Close this window. Now right click again and click here uninstall device option. Click here uninstall. Okay, and now again select this desktop option and right click on it and click here scan for hardware changes. Okay, your driver will reinstalled here and check your problem is fixed or not. Okay, if your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Right click on it and select here open volume mixer and up down it, close this, check this, uncheck, check and check this option. Now select here start button and click run and type here searches.msc. Okay, and click on OK button. After that select here sound service Windows audio. Okay, select this Windows audio, right click on it and click here properties, select here automatic under startup type and click on stop. Again click on start button, click on apply and click on OK and after that select this option and click here start button. Okay, after that select this service, right click on it and click here restart and click here yes. So guys, your problem is fixed here. If your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Now right click on start button and restart your laptop and desktop and check your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Right click on audio icon and click here open sound setting and click here volume up down and select here your speakers. Choose your output device here. Master volume up to down and input, select here your device input. So guys, if your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Right click on start button and click here settings, and click on update and security option, and install all Windows update here. Okay, your Windows update should be up to date here. Install all Windows update here. Close this window. Right click on start button, click on settings, and click again update and security option. Click here troubleshoot option. Click here additional troubleshooter option. After that, select here playing audio and run the troubleshooter. Click on it. So now check your audio working or not. If your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Install audio driver on your Windows 10. Reinstall your audio driver if your problem is not fixed. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.